Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. And my name is Chef Fran. This is my sous chef Ian.
How are we doing today?
And today, Ian and I are making a steak salad. I know you're like, steak and I'm seeing fruit and what is all this stuff? But you know how we like to jazz things up here on this channel. We're going a little gourmet on you here today. We have on deck our blueberries, our gorgonzola, fancy word for blue cheese, by the way. Raspberries. We have our mushrooms that's already cooked up. And we just have our steak that we seared that we're gonna finish off on the grill. We have some dark chocolate. We have some balsamic vinegar, and we have some dark chocolate syrup, all sugar-free, this dark chocolate syrup. And we have our spinach, which is our base and our bed. We are gonna have a good time today. Here's our vitamin content. Sauteing our mushrooms, which has a umami sensation, for our steak salad. So we have our steak here that we're going to use for our steak salad, and we're just going to season it up. Oh, we have our ghee in our pan. Just going to put some little bit of Himalayan salt on here. Some black pepper here. Our basic here. And then we have my special blend seasoning here that we're gonna put as well. Kind of get that steak seasoned real good. We're just gonna sear it and then we're gonna cook it on the grill for our salad. Let's put the steak in a hot skillet. It is sizzling. Ooh, let's get a nice sear on this so I can get some nice color. Smell that? Woo! YouTube family, you smell this? Yeah. And we're gonna eat it for them too. Yes. Look at here, look at here, look at the steak, look at the grill marks. Yes. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Look at the steak. I'm gonna pull it off. I'm gonna cut it up. So I have my blue cheese on top of here. Get it to melt a little bit on my well done steak. That's gonna go on my salad. And here are a list of ingredients. So Ian's gonna put his spinach in the bowl. Wonderful, Ian. He's gonna put his mushrooms that's already all cooked up. I'll give you a little salt and black pepper to put on that. Yeah, there you go.
Same thing with the salt?
Yes, give that loving. Gorgonzola.
Oh, my Gorgonzola. Other words named for?
AKA blue cheese.
Okay, thank you.
The Italians call it Gorgonzola. So, here, raspberry.
Ooh, yes.
Some for your...
Yeah, for
your garnish. Yes. And then you want some chocolate. Yep, there you go. Kind of big pieces.
Yeah, they are.
This is some good vitamins up in here. What you talking about, Ian? Blueberries up in there, and some to the top of your garnish.
There we go.
So you want to gently mix with your hands. And then you're going to want to mix your balsamic glaze inside your dark chocolate.
Mix them together.
Mix them together. Okay. So, yes, exactly. So while Ian stepped away for a few minutes, I decided to get a little decorative. So Ian, close your eyes so I can surprise you with everyone else.
Okay.
You guys ready?
On you.
Look at our salad.
Wow. Wow, that's killer looking. Whoa. Beautiful.
This is our blue cheese Gorgonzola steak salad.
Whoa.
And so here is our balsamic glaze with our chocolate
Yes.
syrup. Here we go. What a beautiful, yummy salad with that blue cheese on that steak, the red raspberries and blueberries, and the balsamic glaze. Yummy. Look at your meat, the way you like it.
Yes. Okay.
Medium rare.
Medium rare.
You know you gotta get some greenery to eat.
Yes, I have to have greenery in my salad.
Well, again, it's so pretty. I don't want to eat it, but I can't do this to the folks. They want to know how it tastes.
So let's see what this is. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. That tanginess from the blue cheese mixed with the balsamic,
Intense.
the sweetness of the raspberry, blueberry,
Blueberries, yeah. Oh,
and that little bitter dark chocolate taste.
gives that little
Amazing.
kick. Yeah.
Of course, the meaty sensation from the umami of the mushroom as well as the meat. This is really good.
Wow.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us. Don't forget to hit the like button. When you do that, you give us a virtual hug. Ian and I love hugs.
Definitely.
We're huggers. And subscribe. What are you waiting for? Subscribe. And share. Sharing is most certainly caring. That's what I've always been taught. I'm loving everybody. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.